Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. In this video, I want to show you a super quick exercise you can do for your upper body using a couch. So if most of what you do is yoga, then this is going to be a really good exercise for you to help add another element of strength training to your workouts. It's also going to help make your body more balanced, and you'll actually get better at yoga as a result. And if you're doing more than just yoga, this is just a great exercise that you can do while you're sitting at your couch. So this is a dip, and what you're going to use for this is your couch. You're going to use basically something that you can put your hands on firm enough, and making sure that your hands are maybe a little bit wider or about shoulder width distant. From here, you're going to walk your feet out like so, and I should be able to have my inner elbows facing forward as I start. So you want to make sure that you're not turning your elbows in like this and rounding your shoulders down, but actually keeping your shoulders, shoulder blades pulling toward one another and inner elbows facing forward. If you want to make this more difficult, your feet will come further out. To make it easier, you can bring your feet further back. And to do this, you're just going to lower yourself down, squeeze the elbows in. Again, you want to feel this in the shoulders and the upper back. Let your butt touch the ground, keep your chest open, and then push back up. Right? If you want to make this more intense, you can walk your feet further forward. And we're just going to go through these. And I would say probably try to do at least 5, and then maybe work your way up to 10, 15, 20, and beyond. If you want to make this into a workout, then I would say do as many as you can. Take a minute or a 2-minute break, and then try again. And you can do up to 3 sets like that. So that's just something you can do while you're at your couch. Again, super simple, doesn't take a ton of time. I would do this up to 3 times per week. I wouldn't do it every day just because your muscles need time to recover. But doing this 3 times per week is probably a good idea if you're wondering about frequency. And again, to do this properly, you just want to make sure that you are keeping your chest open. Some common errors to avoid here. If you're rounding your shoulders in like this and letting your elbows flare out, that's really bad for your shoulders and your rotator cuff. So just make sure that your chest stays open, your shoulder blades pull together, and you are going through this, feeling this in your upper back and your triceps, and not feeling this in the front of your shoulders. And that's it. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, share. If you're not already following me on social media, I'm on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. My goal for you is to show you how yoga can help to improve your fitness, and I do that through online programs, an online members area, and I've also written books, DVDs, and a lot of other stuff to help you get stronger with yoga. I'll learn more at manflowyoga.com. Again, hope you found this video useful, and I hope to see you on another one soon.